Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever wanted to shape the world with your hands? Let's dive into the world of clay and start molding basic shapes that will bring your imagination to life.
Hania! What's all this? Are you having a clay party?
Kind of. Mama said she'll show us some cool things about clay using slides.
Clay is a soft, squishy material we use to make fun shapes. It's easy to mold, stretch, and shape. There are different types of clay, like play clay for kids and special clay for artists. Let's start with something simple, a circle. Do you know how to make one?
Roll it?
To make a circle, take a piece of clay, roll it between your palms gently.
Oh, it's like making a tiny orange. Mine looks like a tiny orange.
And mine looks like a marble.
Perfect. Circles can become the base for many things, like the sun, the earth, or even wheels. Now, let's make a square. First, roll the clay into a thick cylinder, like a log.
Okay, I have a log. What's next?
Great! Now, flatten the log slightly and cut it into 4 equal pieces.
Done! I have 4 pieces.
Good. Now, place the pieces together, edge to edge, to form a square.
Oh, it's like building a box, but flat.
And all 4 sides are the same length.
Exactly. Now for a rectangle, you'll do the same thing, but use 2 long pieces and 2 short pieces.
I made a door shape.
Good job, Hania. Now for a triangle. Roll the clay into a log and cut it into 3 equal pieces.
Got it! What do I do next?
Take the 3 pieces and join the ends together to form 3 points.
Oh, I see. 3 sides and 3 corners.
Looks like a mountain.
Great job! Triangles can become mountains, roofs, or even tents. What else can we build with these shapes?
So many things. Shapes are the foundation of everything you can imagine.
Now it's the time for quiz. What is the best way to make a clay ball? Option A. Roll the clay between your hands in a circular motion. Option B. Press the clay flat on the table. Option A is correct. A ball is round, so you need to move your hands in circles. Which picture shows a rectangle-shaped clay? Excellent! A rectangle has 4 sides, and 2 sides are longer than the other 2. Option B is correct. Which of these images shows a clay cube? Option A, a rolled up flat sheet of clay. Option B, a clay block with equal sides. Good job! Option B is correct. You can make a circle from clay by rolling it into a flat, round shape. Is this statement true or false? Perfect! This statement is true. A flat circle looks like a pancake. To make a clay square, all four sides need to be different lengths. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. A square has equal sides. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be creating shapes with our dazzling new colors. Get ready for a colorful splash of fun! Until then, keep spotting colors and shapes around you. See you on our next vibrant adventure. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.